Hi everyone, and I just wanted to give you a closer look at the Sabo Flex. As you can see on the back of the product, it's totally adjustable. The springs are changeable to change the tension, and then you can adjust the length and tension using these small beads. If you were to put the Sabo Flex on, it goes on like this. It has two straps right here to hold it in place. And then each finger has its own little compartment that it's slid into and then secured with Velcro. And one thing I found that was really cool about this splint was that it had these grippers on each of the finger tips. This makes it so much easier to pick up flatter things on a table or hard surface. So once you have the splint on, I just wanted to show you guys a few exercises that are done in the functional arm training program. Many of the exercises involve using a Nerf ball similar to this. Actually, this is one of the Nerf balls that was sent to me from Sabo. So the first exercise, balls are attached to little cylindrical tubes and they each sit in their own compartment. The patient is asked to pick up the ball and it's still connected to the tube and transfer it to another empty compartment. The next exercise involves the therapist rolling a ball to the patient grasping the ball, crossing the midline, and putting the ball into a container. So not only is this working on the patient's ability to grasp and release the ball, but it's also working on crossing the midline. One of Sabo's main goals is that people aren't just doing these repetitive exercises, but they transfer into something that is functional for them. You know, I'm in my kitchen right now, and opening the stove is grasping and then releasing that handle. So, you know, Sabo is just really functional. I think the two co-founders really want it to be functional, and a quote from what they said was that they're striving to keep Sabo a therapy-driven company for as long as possible. I just want to show you guys a few more products that I got sent to me. This is the Sabo Reach. It's an upper arm orthotic that is used in conjunction with the Sabo Flex. So you have your Sabo Flex on, and then the Reach attaches to it and turns it into a whole arm orthotic. And the last thing I wanted to show you was the Sabo Stretch, which is Sabo's static resting hand splint. It's really nice. It has a removable thumb. It also has different plates that can be used in the palm, and it's all Velcro, totally adjustable. It's a really nice static splint. So I hope you all learned something from this video, and thank you for watching.